In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put videos inside phone frames in Canva. If you've ever wanted your footage to play inside a realistic smartphone mock-up for social posts, promos, or tutorials, this is a quick and polished way to do it. You can follow along in any Canva project you already have open, whether it's a presentation, a social media post, or a custom canvas. Start by heading into your project so you're looking at your main design canvas. On the left-hand side, you'll see the panel that holds all your creative tools. Click on Elements. This is where Canva keeps shapes, graphics, stickers, charts, and, most importantly for us, frames. Inside Elements, look for the Frames section and click it. Frames in Canva are special placeholders that automatically crop and mask images and videos to a specific shape. They usually show a sample landscape image inside, which is a handy visual cue that they're frames and not just regular graphics. Once you're in the frames area, you'll see lots of shapes, including devices. If you don't see a phone right away, use the search bar within Elements and type something like phone frame to narrow it down. You'll find options that look like smartphones in different orientations and styles. Choose a phone frame that matches the vibe and orientation you want, and click it to add it to your canvas. It will drop right onto your design, ready to be used. At this stage, focus on choosing a frame that complements your video's format. For example, a vertical phone frame pairs nicely with vertical clips, while a horizontal one can better display widescreen footage. This helps reduce unwanted cropping and keeps the most important parts of your video visible. Now for the magic. Take your video and drag it over the phone frame on your canvas. As you hover, you'll see the frame highlight slightly. Release your mouse, and Canva will snap the video right inside the phone shape. Instantly, your clip is masked to the edges of the device, creating that clean, professional look. The video will still play as normal, and any audio in it remains intact. That's it. You've placed a video inside a phone frame in just a few clicks. This simple technique adds a polished, modern touch to your design and helps viewers instantly understand they're looking at content designed for a mobile screen. Try different phone frames and orientations to match your project's style, and enjoy how effortless this is in Canva.